Alright guys, we're gonna go to the Nike outlet here at Carlsbad. I want to see, it's been a minute since I've been here. Last time, about a month ago or so. I want to see what their hash wall and what they have in stock. Alright guys, let's go see. So just checking the hash wall. So they have 20% off the entire hash wall here. So there's a lot of people. I'm just gonna check to see what type of heat. We do have the Mellow 13s. Still going for $159. I would skip that. We have the Lebron John Elliott in the pink. Down from $250 is $199 minus 20%. We have these white ones, John Elliott. It's $199 minus 20% off. So it's $160. The only other heat here is this Vapor Max 2019, and the Flyknit, but they're going for retail price though. Alright. Not much today here. So. I'm just gonna do a quick flyby of the aisles. We have the PGs here, different colorways. The Lebron Soldiers. Super guys. This other side of the wall, we have the Element 55, so 20% off. Pegasus 35s. And they have the Air Huaraches for $69.97 minus 20% off. And we have all these other shoes here. Alright guys, we're gonna check this aisle here. Only notable is the Element 87s for $99.97 though. They have the Air Max Uptempo 95s, the Chicago colorways. It's going for a little too much. They're $89.99 at the different outlets. So. The Lebron Soldiers, Zoom Rise again, a couple Mamba Focuses, LeBron Witness, Tailwinds in the aisles, and this is their Air Max 720s. And of course, the pick of the week at this store is the Odyssey React 2 Flyknit. It appears to be the pick of the week for a lot of Nike outlets. So the pick of the week for the women's side is actually a little different. In this store, they had the Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 34s, $79.99 minus 20% off. This is actually a very good shoe for additional discount. Can't go wrong. There's full size run from 6 to it's like 11. If you guys love the Pegasus 34s, that's a full length Zoom unit. Can't go wrong with this pick. Just going down the aisle. Different Pegasus 34 colorways. Priceless mark. And then they have the Bomero 14s in this colorway. $99.99. So here at the women's side, we have the Air Max 98 SCs in this colorway. $79.97 minus 20% off. And we have these Air Max 720s in this colorway, the white aqua. Retail price minus 20% off. So we have these Air Max FF 720s in the night maroon colorway. They still have them in the outlets. $99.97 minus 20% off, guys. And they have the Air Force Ones. Retail price though, minus 20. You have the Element 55s in this colorway. This is just shoes fell off. I'm going to check here. The Air Max 98 SEs. 99.97 minus 20%. And they have these, the bleach coral 720s. 89.97 minus 20%. Just around $70 for this one. This appears to be an extension of the hash wall, or full-size boxes. So you have the Pegasus 35s in this colorway, plus additional 20% off. You just go down to Air Max Motions, and like the DTR, and of course Epic React Find It 2s, a staple at the outlets. So at the kid sizes, they have the Air Max 95s in various colorways, various sizes. There are more Uptempos, Nike React Prestos, Nike Force 1 mids. Go down the aisle, guys. All right. Hey, what's up, YouTube? Thank you again for joining me here at the Carlsbad Premium Outlets Nike Vlog. Thank you again for all the subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe if you like this type of content. I'll try to do about 2 to 3 videos a week or more, just depending on my schedule. Thank you again. Like, subscribe, share. Until the next video, you guys.